Are you looking for a beautiful house on a quiet court in a great neighborhood? Well, I have the rental for you. Welcome to 20 Bird Court in Cambridge. It's located on this great quiet street where the kids will be safe and you'll be able to enjoy yourself. Come on in, have a look. 20 Bird Court is a great location. It's close to parks, schools, shopping, everything that you'd need. Come on inside. When you enter the front door, you'll see there's a guest bath, very convenient. The center hall plan will really draw you in with the dark, rich staircase. If I turn to my right, you'll see a large open area for dining and a beautiful gourmet kitchen. And yes, that's the refrigerator, hidden in the same color as the cabinetry. Built-in dishwasher, oven, microwave, and a gas cooktop. Nice bright window. This is a great kitchen for cooking. And again, if you look back, you can see the dining area. Look to your right, you can see the living area. So great for entertaining your guests. A nice gas fireplace to make it cozy on those winter evenings. Now we're going to go upstairs. First room at the top of the stairs. Small bedroom currently used as an office. Right beside it, a nice generous sized bedroom currently holding 2 twin beds. Nice bright window and a closet. Down the hall, another generous bedroom with a larger bed set up and plenty of space. Right beside it, you're going to see the family bath with a shower. Beside that is the primary bedroom. Very large. You can see they also have another office set up in here. So you can orient this room any way you like. There's plenty of space. In behind this wooden barn sliding door is a closet. I'll just walk right past that. And now we're into the bathroom ensuite with walk-in shower. Again, nice bright window. What more could you ask for? Now we're going to go downstairs. So now we're back on the main floor again. This door just under the staircase leads to the basement. I'll take a quick walk down. Almost all the space down here is finished. Bit of an L-shaped room. Nice bright windows, and those are egress windows. So it's nice and safe. You can get out if there's an emergency. Back around the other side of the basement, you're going to see another full bath. How great is that? And another small room, again with an egress window. Very safe home. Could be used as an office, or I guess if you had company coming over. Now we're going to take you outside. Okay, I've just stepped out the back patio door, looking out onto the deck, multi-layer, the cabana area with a gas fire pit, which is wired directly to the gas line, so there's no tanks to fill. A great area for entertaining, for the kids to play. I'm just going to step back and get more perspective on this great backyard. Nice look at the decks, cabana area, a nice shed for all your storage, a nice grass area as well for kids or dogs. Very little to look after, great place to entertain. Thanks for touring 20 Bird Court with me in Cambridge. For more information, I'm Bev Hepburn, your trusted broker with Coldwell Banker Peter Benninger Realty, and you can find me at bevhepburn.com.